Not to be dramatic, but this is the best blowout tutorial you'll find on the internet. I use the Dyson Airwrap, but you can use these techniques on the Revlon and other similar tools and get a fantastic outcome. First things first, heat protectant. I use number 6 by Olaplex. It's unmatched. This next step is double important if you're using products like the Revlon, but you want your hair to be 90% dry. It is the most effective way to avoid breakage when using products like this. If you're using the Dyson, I first use the blow dryer tool and then I add the hairbrush tool to rough dry my hair initially. Now that we are 90% dry and serving Princess Diaries, let's get into it. Using my tried and true round brush, we are going to take a medium-sized piece of hair and wrap it away from the face on the round brush and pull. You're going to do that a couple times until the piece of hair is nice and smooth. And then on the last go, you are going to get to the end, twist back up, hold the hair there for 5 to 10 seconds, and then you're going to twist it out. So now that the whole base of my head is complete, we are going to take the front pieces of my hair and I'm going to take the Dyson and wrap it and go forwards and then backwards. And this motion just really helps to give some extra volume. And then once those are all done, I will curl them into the rest of my hair. The final step in this hair tutorial is a little bit of Olaplex bonding oil on the ends of my hair and then a very tiny bit of this Euphoria style spray on the base of my head. And you're done.